Okay, here's the pitch. The modern news cycle is a total data deluge. This project tames it. Think about it. It wasn't always like this. News used to come on a schedule, like the morning paper.
But today, it's a nonstop fire hose of information from everywhere all at once.
So the real question is, how do you find what actually matters in all that chaos? To do it right, you've got to tackle three massive, interconnected problems. First up, clones. The same story gets republished over and over, which is just a total waste. Next, there's privacy. You have to protect sensitive data. It's not just an option, it's the law. And finally, speed. Insights are pretty useless if they're a day late. You need them now. So let me introduce NewsExpress. It's a project engineered to solve exactly this triple threat. How's it work? Well, it's a really clean three-step pipeline. Ingest, process, and then store. Okay, this is where things get really clever, especially how it deals with all those duplicate stories. For the exact copy-paste clones, it uses what's called a Bloom filter. It's ridiculously fast. But for stories that are just almost the same, that's where locality-sensitive hashing comes in. So you get the best of both worlds, pure speed for the easy stuff and intelligence for the tricky ones. All right, duplicates are solved, but what about privacy? Well, here it's baked right into the design. The magic behind it is a powerful technique called differential privacy. It's pretty amazing stuff. So, for example, let's say the real number of articles from a source is exactly 120. The system adds a little statistical noise, so it reports a slightly different number, protecting individuals. Okay, that's a lot of tech, but why does any of this actually matter in the real world? Well, newsrooms can spot unique stories instantly, and researchers can analyze trends without all the junk data. Ultimately, this whole approach gives us a model for making sure that as info gets faster, we can still trust it,